Own a fully furnished apartment with high ROI potential and flexible post-handover payment. Introducing Coral Isle, the newest addition to Dubai Islands. Boutique building, only 68 units. Fully furnished luxury 1, 2, 3 bedroom apartments with high-end finishing and elegant design. Large sizes, 1 bedroom 90 square meter starting from 1,940,000 dirham. Handover Q1 2027 and you have 3 years post handover payment plan until 2030. 25 resort style amenities, 3,000 square feet gym, private cinema room, yoga studio, infinity pool, kids pool, outdoor workspaces and landscape seating, 3 barbecue zones for your weekend vibes. There is a rare chance to invest early. High demands, limited units. Island life is calling. Don't miss it. Take a call.